In session 9, now I am covering a topic on opening a file. Opening a file. Here we use fopen to open a file. We must open a file before it can be read, write or update. The fopen function is used to open a file, that may be a new file or existing file. The syntax of the fopen is given below. Here you can see file, it is a file, a pointer variable fopen to open a file, constant character, file name, constant character, file mode, that may be read, write or any append mode which we use to work on the file. Next, the fopen function accepts two parameters. The first, the file name string. If the file is stored at some specific location, then we must mention the path at which the file is stored. For example, a file name can be like C some underscore folder slash some underscore file dot ext. Ext is an extension file. Here C is the drive where it can be stored. Some folder is a folder name which I have given a name as sum. The mode in which the file is to be opened, it is a string. We can use one of the following modes in the fopen function. Here I am giving R, open a text files in a read mode. W, open a text files in a write mode. A, opens a text files in a append mode. R plus, opens a text files in read and write mode. In previously I have shown here R only for read. If you write R plus, it will do both the things, read and write. Similarly, for W plus, opens a text files read and write mode. A plus, opens a text files in read and write mode. Any can be used. RB, opens a binary files in a read mode. WB, opens a binary files in a write mode. AB, opens a binary file in append mode. RB plus, opens a binary file in read and write mode. W plus, opens a binary files in read and write mode. AB plus, opens a binary files in a read and write mode, which can you can use we can use which we need. The fopen function works in the following way. Firstly, it searches the files to be opened, that may be in the location where we will give the path name. Then it loads the files from the disk and place it into the buffer. Buffer is nothing but it is a temporary memory used to work. The buffer is used to provide efficiency for the read operations. Next step, it sets up a character point which points to the first character of the file. Here I am giving the example. Consider the following example which opens up files in a write mode. Void main, a file is used to open a file. A star f p is a pointer variable character ch. Here fp is a file name. Fopen file underscore handle dot c. R is in a read only mode. File 1 ch equals to f get c f of p. Here I am doing searching. If ch equals to end of file, that is the file is in end of, then it will break, otherwise it print percentage c, that is in a character mode, the content which is in the file, then close bracket. After doing all these works, we should close a file. For that reason, we are using a fclose function, and fp is the file which is opened here. See here it has been opened and here it has been closed. In between these things, I am doing a work or a task, that is in a here I am getting a file and fetching the data and printing the data. Thank you.